Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to change your phone number on Binance. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your phone number on Binance, open up your web browser or your Binance application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Soon after you do that, go to www.binance.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, mouse over to the human icon located at the upper right hand corner and click on the security button in the expanded menu. Under the security tab, scroll down and right where you can see phone number verification, click on the change button. Confirm if you are sure you would like to change your phone number. It says that once you do this, the withdrawals, P2P sellings and payment services will be disabled for 24 hours. Click confirm and on the next page, enter your phone number that you are trying to change to in the first text box. Now, you need to provide the verification code that will be sent to your new mobile number. Click on Get Code to receive it. Once you receive the verification code, type it in. Now, you need to go through email verification as well. Click on Get Code in the text box where it says Email Verification Code, and an email verification code will be sent to your email address that is right here, located beneath the box. Simply open up a new tab and log into your email account, and you'll receive an inbox from Binance. Click it open, and there will be your verification code displayed inside your inbox. Simply copy this code and go back to Binance, type in the verification code or paste it into email verification code text box. Now, on the next field, you'll need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your current mobile number. Click Get Code in order to receive it and wait for the verification code on your current mobile number. Type it in. If you've enabled the authenticator, you'll need to enter the 6-digit code from your Binance or your Google Authenticator as well. Simply open up your Google Authenticator or your Binance Authenticator application and enter the code that is available. The code is 6-digit long. Once you type in all of the information in this page, click the submit button at the bottom. That way, you'll be able to change your phone number on Binance. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.